Penne pasta recipe. Ingredients: 1 pound, 450 grams, penne pasta. 2 cups mixed vegetables, such as bell peppers, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes. 4 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 cup heavy cream. 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh basil leaves for garnish, optional. Step 1. Preparing the vegetables. 1. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. 2. Wash the mixed vegetables thoroughly and pat them dry. 2. Chop them into bite-sized pieces, ensuring they are relatively uniform in size to promote even cooking. 3. Place the chopped vegetables on a baking sheet and drizzle them with olive oil. 3. Toss the vegetables gently to coat them evenly with oil. 4. Sprinkle the minced garlic over the vegetables and season with salt and pepper according to your taste preferences. 5. Spread the vegetables out in a single layer on the baking sheet, ensuring they have enough space to roast properly. 6. Roast the vegetables in the preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they are tender and slightly caramelized. 6. Be sure to stir them once or twice during the cooking process to promote even browning. 6. Once roasted, remove the vegetables from the oven and set them aside. Step 2. Cooking the penne pasta. 1. Add the penne pasta to the boiling water and cook according to the package instructions until al dente, which means the pasta is cooked but still slightly firm to the bite. 2. Stir the pasta occasionally while it cooks to prevent it from sticking together. 3. Once the pasta is cooked to your desired texture, carefully drain it in a colander. Step 3. Preparing the creamy garlic Parmesan sauce. 1. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat in a large skillet or saucepan. 2. Add the minced garlic to the skillet and sauté it for about 1 minute until it becomes fragrant. 2. Be cautious not to burn the garlic, as it can turn bitter. 3. Pour the heavy cream into the skillet and bring it to a gentle simmer. 3. Stir the cream occasionally to prevent it from scorching. 4. Gradually add the grated Parmesan cheese to the simmering cream, stirring continuously to ensure it melts evenly and forms a smooth sauce. 5. Continue stirring the sauce until the Parmesan cheese has completely melted and thickened to your desired consistency. 6. Taste the sauce and season it with salt and pepper according to your preference. 6. Remember that the Parmesan cheese already adds some saltiness, so adjust accordingly. Step 4. Bringing it all together. 1. Add the cooked penne pasta to the skillet with the creamy sauce. 1. Stir gently but thoroughly, ensuring that every strand of pasta is coated with the sauce. 2. Add the roasted vegetables to the skillet, distributing them evenly throughout the pasta. 2. The combination of flavors and textures will make each bite a delight. 3. Cook the pasta and vegetables in the sauce for an additional 2 to 3 minutes over medium heat. 3. This will allow the flavors to meld together. 4. Remove the skillet from the heat and let the dish rest for a minute to allow the sauce to settle. Step 5. Serving and garnishing. 1. Transfer the creamy garlic Parmesan penne pasta with roasted vegetables to a serving dish or individual plates. 2. If desired, garnish the dish with fresh basil leaves for added aroma and freshness. 3. Serve the pasta immediately while it is still warm and enjoy.